వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. తృణాదపి సునీచేన తరోరివ సహిష్ణునామానిన మానదేన కీర్తనీయ సదా హరిః. మానదేన. So many persons says that they say about Suta Goswami, you are thoroughly learned the Vedanta Sutras, Vyasadeva's conclusions, Badarayana Sutras. Not only that, you are able to explain all the limitations in the other philosophical systems, Jaimini, Gautama, Kannada, Kapila, Ashtavakra and Patanjali. All these 6 versions you can explain what is the differentiate in them. 6 versions. How to complacent them? Vedanta Darshan. Unless one had this qualification, he cannot purely represent the Vyasadeva. Vyasadeva is the highest authority. Lastly, they say that because you are gentle and submissive nature, all the teachers or gurus blessed you abundantly. Because of all reasons, very eager to hear from you. 4 reasons they told. 1. He is well versed in Puranas, Itihasas. Number 2. He is completely sinless. Number 3. He heard them and explained them in terms of Badarayana conclusions, Vyasadeva's conclusions. 4. Because of gentle behavior and submissive behavior, he had received the blessings of all great acharyas and gurus, and therefore we want to hear from you. You can imagine the kind of respect this kind of meditation bring. Suppose we think about every devotee in this way. That qualifications, there are wonderful jewel like qualifications in our heart. Natural, our respect for them are very, very deep. Otherwise, we offer some formal respect. And as soon as the formality is over, then something else. These people are able to hear from Suta Goswami for 1000 years daily, because their respect is so very deep for him. Thus, they know why they are hearing from him. That is the same reason we read the Srila Prabhupada books very, very carefully. We should know about Srila Prabhupada, his sacrifices, his qualities, expands to build the society. The more you know about Srila Prabhupada, the more you want to study Srila Prabhupada books, because you know whose books you are studying. Otherwise anybody can write, After all books, anybody can write. Srila Prabhupada wrote, anybody can write books. There are some people wrote 200 books also. One person told that recently read one author, somebody told me, he had written 201 books record. Then So many people write hundreds of books, hundred books, nothing, double century. What Srila Prabhupada written? Why he has written? On what condition he wrote? And what kind of sacrifice is performed? Without understanding all this, if you study Srila Prabhupada books, you may also familiar with them. But if you fully understand what Srila Prabhupada is, what standard is this, why he has written, on what condition he has written, one purport also you can read hundreds of times. You never get tired. So general conclusion then is, if you want to respect someone properly, how close they are close to Krishna and how empowered they are by Krishna, then only we can actually respect everyone properly. Otherwise, we are homogeneous to everyone. We will think everyone is very good. That equality is Mayavada. It is not based on proper understanding. It is saying everybody equals to anybody properly. So the devotee is equal because he sees everybody is Jiva Tattva and therefore respecting everyone on the level of Jiva Tattva. But now some Jiva Tattva is living entity. They are highly empowered like Brahma. Obviously, we offer great respect to Brahma. Lord Shiva, we have to offer great respect because he cannot time to destroy the whole universe. In no time, Lord Shiva destroy the whole universe. And not only that, Lord Shiva has such wonderful qualities. He gives the shelter to all lost living entities. He is known as Bhutanatha. Why? Because he is the shelter giver of all kinds of misguided living entities. Therefore, we offer greater amount of respect to Lord Shiva. If we don't know properly how to give respect to proper person, such a person, then we may be God also. Although Lord Shiva is respected as good as Lord, but we have proper understanding. But we should nonetheless said he is not God. We may sentimentally made a mistake. And if we don't know the true relationship of things with the Supreme Being, so Sambandha Jnana is extremely important. For offering proper degree of respect to all kinds of living entities and even inanimate entities. So, how does one develop the refined understanding of the value of different living entities? It is only possible by the mercy of Guru. Because we are blind, we don't see things properly. We see things in our covered vision. We discussed so many times about this. We don't see things properly, and that is only by the mercy of Guru. That Viveka, the ability to discriminate whose is, at what level of development of Krishna consciousness will come. Otherwise, we will make a mistake either by disrespecting someone or by over respecting someone. Over respecting is also disrespect. Suppose I call Hanuman, you are Ram. You are same as Ram. You are equal to Ram. That is over respect for Hanuman. That is also disrespecting. Hanumanji is smash you up. He teared you into pieces and then you keep quiet, you rascal. He told. Over respecting is also form of disrespect. That is the very important principle to understand. So, respecting, disrespecting, over respecting. These are the things we will continue in next class. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।